Hello guys. Yeah, oh yeah, no. See what happened to my car. I got into an accident so I'm trying to see what I can do to fix I think maybe it's just the fender and then the bottom, I don't know what you call this part here, that got damaged, but I will see what I can do. Yeah, I got an accident on the 10th of July. It was on a Friday, so then I got the car towed to my in-laws, and then on the Saturday I managed to buy another KE70, so where I can get the original fender and original cradle and then that part, but the cradle I saw it is welded, so I just want to see if the parts that I was stripping from that car I can still use it on this one, and I want to see how far the damage goes in, but I'll just check it now. Yeah, and the car is still driving. It's just this bolt punctured the battery, so I had to replace the battery, and you see it's still loose, so I just have to take it off. Still loose. I didn't tighten it. Still loose, so I just have to remove the battery, and then I'll show you the damaged. So the damage is mostly, I don't know if you're able to see, the damage is mostly in this corner, so I want to see how far the damage goes, because I see there's a crease here, and then I think the battery bended this part, so I'll just have to check it. And then yeah, you see it is creased in here, the whole light came in, bended the whole thingy. So I want to see if I fit the new fender, how far it goes back. And then I bought the new light, not the new light, I just needed the bracket because I want to line up before. I'm still checking where I can get a new light. And then this bumper, I can see it's only damaged, actually bent here and then here, and then this part, but I think maybe you can just bend it back. If I can't bend it back, and then I'll just have to buy a new bumper. And then this side, everything is still fine because the impact was mostly on the left side. You see, on the left side, so it's bad. But I managed to get new fender. I got from the other car that I bought the lights, the indicators. The bumper was rusted, so I only needed like the body panels to see how far the damage goes back, and where I will able to see if I can straighten this part, maybe with the hammer or something, or if I won't be able to, then I will just have to cut it maybe here and then cut it all the way down, and then cut it this way, and then take the whole cradle from the other car, because this thing is welded, so I won't be able to take it off. So I maybe just remove the spot welds on this side remove this whole thing and then cut from here if I can't fix this part properly. So we'll see with how I'm gonna strip everything now. Take off the bumper, take off that centerpiece there, and then take off the fender, and then fit the new fender, and then see how far, because the fender, it bolts onto, don't even be able to, there's bolts here that the fender bolts onto the cradle, you see, and then this part, it's bolted onto the fender here. So I will see on that other fender how far it goes back. So yeah, let me see if I can fix this thing, and then if I can't fix it, I'll have to take it to a panel beater, because I got quotes from a panel beater to fix the car without paint. Without the parts. I must still get my own parts. He quoted me 10,000 just to spray the whole thing, take out this part. So 10,000 is a little bit too high. So I got the parts and I'm gonna fit them and see how much work needs to be done to straighten this part, because the accident pushed the radiator forward. So the fan, I don't know if you're able to see, the fan hit the radiator, then I just bended it out, but the latch still latches the bonnet. So I think this from here everything is fine. It's only when it goes this side where it goes in the butt. And then you can see on the bottom side, the distance from the radiator, the distance here is a little bit wider than this side. You can see it's almost sitting close to this part. So this part, if I can be able to bend it a little bit back, I think maybe it will be fine. As long as the other parts still fits properly, then I will be sharp. Shanana. Yo, my heart is sore, yo. Because now my car looks like this now. But let's see what I can do today, and then see if I will be able to fix this thing. Yeah. And then the parts that I got, this is the old grille, the one that got damaged. The one that got damaged, this plastic. And then here's the light that I'm gonna use for markup, just to align the parts and all the broken things from the accident. My light is still fine, it's just here at the back where it broke off from the bumper. So the lens is still fine, just have to get the back of the light. And then this is also still fine. And then this is just for markup. I still need to buy new ones just to align everything. This is the side that the accident happened. So I can just see what I can do with this thing just for markup. So I took everything from that car. Here's the grille. It is still fine, it just needs a coat of paint, still proper, and this chrome lip needs a polish, but this part is still fine. It's still fine. And And then this is that bottom part. This is the bottom part. Yeah, it sits like this. You see, let me just move it properly. You see, so it's like this, and then the lights. You see, it sits like this. Yeah. So you just have to get them, and then just the light on the left hand side where I just needed the housing, the back parts for markup, and then after everything is done, then I will buy a new light, because I just need this mounting spots, because the grille, it sits like this. It sits like, just put it like this. You see, it sits like this, and then the grille connects to it like this. You see, and then the grille connects to it like this, and then this one goes on top of it, and then the grille connects to it like this. So I just need new lights, new everything, and then in here I got some of the things from the car. I will need like small things. This is just the cover that goes. The cover that goes here. This thing's also broken off me. So I got the new one from that car. And then the indicators, but they are cracked. But it's fine. It's just to cover the thing. And then I needed this piece. Mine is still fine, but I saw like this. You see this thing that covers the steering column. You see, because I noticed mine is brown. You see, it's brown, so I got the black one. So you just have to clean it up, and then all the screws are fine. This one I saw they used, I don't know what screw is this, so they just used the screw to fasten it. So I have the black one now, and then I took this as well as the indicator wiper. So I just needed this button. I don't have this button, so I removed the whole thing. So I don't have this button because I'm a guyvat. This thing is just a loop. Just to you pull it like this, and then the hazards goes on. So just for how can you say, for safety. And I tried to get this thing, but the bumper cover, but it's rusted at the bottom, so I won't be able to use it. And then the other things in here, I needed this also, one of them. And then there's just screws here, and then yeah, because the other thing is still on the fender. Yo, yeah. Then I also took this chrome drum. It goes on top of the bonnet. It sits here on top of the bonnet. See? So I have most of the parts here, and then it's this big thing here. And here's the fender. So I'm gonna try fitting it. Just bent here, but I can take it out, no problem, as long as this part is fine. And then yeah, everything is still sharp. Yeah, so now I'm gonna check up the car. Well, put it on jack stands and then remove the bumper and try to re-strip the whole front end. Try to take off everything that is bent and broken. And then on the fender is the top screws, and then there's a screw on top here, and then there's two at the bottom, and then there's inner liner screws, inner fender liner screws. And then on there's one, this thing that is holding up the bumper, holding up on the, there's this thing, I don't know what you call it, that sits on the cradle. You have to loosen up also. Yeah, so I'm gonna loosen the bumper and then strip the fender. Yeah, with the screws on top, and then one in the door and two at the bottom, and then the screws here. But I will remove the wheel also, and then I'll go take off the bumper first. Yeah.
My girl got style. She writes from home when her time is cool, or from a lecture when she's at school. I got her number, but we still chat, exchanging pictures and sending tracks. But to my surprise, what do I see? Her status says that she's playing me. Yeah. my hand out to lead me to the place where no one can erase that we were there. Let me in my love, set me loose and I'll go over and above. I can prove it, baby, grown enough to know now what you really want, why and how. Woman for delighting, not debating. No fuss, frustrate, just dead and waiting. So give me to my love. He got one my mind always remind me of. Had a vision, we went back to remember then when we were at that baby fashion. Oh, not shine. Gorgeous fool, divided on the broken road. Why am I justified by your lips and your eyes that just go on and on and on and on and on? You'll never catch up. Yes, it charm, not at all. And my love for color is not all. Preoccupied by your lips and your eyes, you know why, you know I just go on and on and on and on and on. You'll never.
The next day.
Yeah, I managed to fit the fender, but it's not fastened at the back yet. It's just for markups to see how badly damaged it is. And I managed to save the bottom part because the bottom part, because that other part is still here. So I might put this one on and just see the fitment, but it's fine. And then I managed to straighten up where the bumper bended, and then I used one of my gates to, because it had a twist in it, like a twist, so I managed to twist it back, and then there's a small dent here where that accident happened, so it's a little bit squished here, but it's not that bad. And then if you look it from the front, there is a little bit of a bow there, man. So you just have to bend it back. And the accident was very bad, man. Not because that metal that I have where the battery sits, it's a little bit bad, man. So the metal here is a little bit, I tried to massage it with the hammer, but I couldn't get it. But you can see there's a lot of rust here, and there. So my plan is to, that friend of mine already cut the whole nose of that other car. So he cut it from here, and then cut the whole thing out for me until there. So the whole front grille plus a piece of the inner fender. So my plan is to see where it is, maybe cut it from here and then go up, see where it's bent, because I can't take out this thing. So then cut it underneath this line, and then cut the hole maybe underneath here until here, until here, downwards to take out the whole part, because you can see it's rusted here, man. So then remove the whole corner where the battery sits, because the battery doesn't sit straight anymore because of this pinch here. So the battery is sitting on a slant, so it hits this middle, the lower radiator pipe. So, and then let me just remove the light. You can see, I don't know, you can see how far this part is back, because that hole there must sit flush with this on the fender. So this whole part is back, so I want to cut it and replace it with that the other one. And then at the bottom, you can see this hole here at the bottom must line up with this one, so there's a gap here. How far this thing is pushed back. And then the rust, there's a rust here, and then there's a rust here at the bottom. So yeah, so that's why I'm gonna cut it just here by the radiator down, and then this part will be gone and it will be replaced with that other part. So yeah, but she's coming, yeah, for now, because I can't find a bumper for the car. I only find the slant front end, so the bumpers are not the same. And then the bumpers that I see on Facebook or someone is stripping a car is rusted, this bumper. So if I can maybe save this bumper, and then it will be fine. And I need the corners, because this one broke, because there's a bolt that sits here at the back. So, and then also there's a piece gone here, because it was supposed to come until here. So this whole piece here is gone, you see. So it sits like this. So yeah, I'll see where I can get another piece, corners, and then I just need to respray the car. But so far everything is fine. So let me put everything together, then I will show you, fit the grille, fit everything, then I will show you how she looks. Yeah. And see, she is good. Just some of the places where she also, that accident also bumped this, bent this bonnet a bit. So but this thing is loose, so just have to line it up, and it will be straight with this thing. So just need to clean this cover. This cover is still alright. Clean it and then spray this bottom part black. So, and then I will see if I can clean that part I got the new light, so I just bought this light just to see if everything lines up. And then you can see, sorry, that bow there, there's a bow, so you can see the distance between the light and the distance between the light. So there's a bow of the bumper there, but this part must still go up a bit, but I will do that when I be able to cut out that part and weld it in again. But so far it's still fine. And then this corner, this whole thing must go up a bit, so it's like this. She's alright. There's just small gaps here and there where you have to massage in again. And then this lip still looks fine, just have to straighten it up again and then bend it back, then the lip will be fine. Yeah, so far it's all I can do for now. So I will go and get that front nose and then cut off that one piece and come home with it, and then I will see. I need to go fetch my welder and grinder and see what I can do to fix this before it goes into paint, because I'll need to get it painted. And then there's small damage here, and then there's a damage here, there's scratch, and I think on this side also there's a small damage. It's small, man. There's a small damage here. Yeah, so for now everything is in a way. And then this part also I managed to straighten it up a bit. This is the rubber from that goes on top of the bumper, and then this sits on top of this. Let me just straighten it up a bit. Yeah, you see. And then this part goes here. Let's see, flash the sun. You see, yeah, we'll see how far I get with this car, but I'm still looking for a new bumper. If I can get the bumper, then everything will be sorted in a way, because it's a little bit still skew, but I can't seem to find this model KE70 front bumper. Yeah, but that is all for today. Actually all for this video, until I get more parts, and then I will try to upload an update on this car. Thank you for watching.